Welcome. This meditation is designed for those who feel called to explore the Akashic Records, a concept often described as a subtle energetic field where the history, memory, and potential of all experiences are stored. Some see it as a universal library of consciousness, accessible through deep inner stillness and expanded awareness. Accessing the Akashic Records is not something that happens instantly. It develops over time through consistent practice, relaxation, and learning to quiet the analytical mind so that subtle impressions can be perceived. This session is here to gently guide you into that state of openness. In this meditation, we will also invite the supportive presence of the Arcturians, a high-frequency consciousness often associated with clarity, healing, and expanded perception. You may simply intend to connect with loving, intelligent guidance that supports your highest understanding. Only engage with what resonates with you. Now begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. And gently closing your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And exhale fully through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply through your nose. And release through your mouth. One more breath in. And slowly out. Letting your body begin to relax. Allow your breathing to return to a natural rhythm. Bring your awareness to your body, noticing where you are holding any tension. And with each exhale, allow that tension to soften. Relax your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders, your chest, your stomach, your hands, and your feet. With every breath out, you are becoming lighter, calmer, more open. Now imagine a gentle light above your head, soft, intelligent, and peaceful. This light represents higher awareness and expanded perception. You are safe here. You are simply observing. Now set a quiet intention within yourself. I am open to receiving subtle insight and inner guidance. There is no need to force anything. Now imagine a vast space in front of you, like a field of energy or a great library of light. This is symbolic of the Akashic field, where impressions, patterns, and information of experience may be perceived. You are not entering physically. You are simply becoming aware of it within your consciousness. If it feels right, silently invite supportive guidance, such as Arcturian energy or benevolent higher awareness, to assist you in remaining clear, calm, and receptive. You do not need to visualize anything clearly. Even a feeling of presence is enough. Now gently ask within, what is available for me to understand right now? Then let go. Do not search. Do not try to see. Simply allow impressions to arise. They may come as sensations, feelings, thoughts, images, or simply a sense of knowing. If nothing appears, that is also perfectly fine. Stillness is part of the process. You are training awareness, not forcing results. Now return to your breath. Inhale slowly and exhale. Feel yourself grounded, relaxed, and present. Let any expectations dissolve. Again, softly ask inwardly, I am open to receive only what serves my highest understanding. Then release. Allow space. Notice any subtle shifts, even very small ones. A change in mood, a feeling, a quiet thought passing through. Everything is part of learning this language. Now begin to gently withdraw your awareness from the field. Imagine the light above your head softly dimming, returning to calm neutrality. You are not disconnecting. You are simply returning to your everyday awareness. Bring attention back to your body, your breath, the room around you. Feel your hands, your feet, your physical presence. Take one deeper breath in and slowly exhale. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, developing access to subtle perception takes time. Consistency matters more than intensity. Each practice builds familiarity with your inner awareness. You are simply learning to listen in a new way.